I will install the newly bought tailgate garnish back door handle trim of this Nissan Urvan. As you can see, the old one is broken, so the owner bought a replacement online via Lazada. That is the new one that the owner bought. The tailgate garnish back door handle trim he bought is exactly the same with the old one. The door lock cylinder just needs to be transferred on this new one. I am now removing the door lock cylinder from the old back door handle trim. It has 3 bolt tapping screws attached to it. I just need to remove those bolt screws and later I will transfer it to the new back door handle. Now the door cylinder is removed. As you can see, it is missing a part. The tailpiece is not attached. The tailpiece remained to the lock rod connected to the door latch mechanism. Later I will put back the tailpiece to the door lock cylinder. It has lost the retaining clip, that is why it was separated from the door lock cylinder. Now I am transferring the door lock cylinder to the new back door handle trim. I checked the door latch mechanism and it is just fine. It just really need a new back door handle trim. Now the door lock cylinder is transferred to the new back door handle trim, and I also put back the tailpiece to the door lock cylinder. I will remove the bolt nuts of the new back door handle trim so that I can start attaching it to the tailgate. Now we are mounting the new back door handle trim. We just need to place it correctly, put the bolt nuts and tighten them enough so that the back door handle trim would be firm. I need to check just how firm the back door handle trim is mounted and adjust it correctly. Now as you can see, the door lock is working fine. Let us test if the tailgate can be opened and closed after the installation of the back door handle trim. Now the tailgate can be properly opened or closed. I have finished the job.